Jeep Compass Night Eagle.
Girl, it's now or never. Rise before.
So we're going to talk about the various aspects of owning a Jeep Compass और क्या खासियत है Jeep Compass की, जब आप उसको चलाते हो कैसा फील होता है। ये सारी बातें हम डिस्कस करेंगे और मैं आपको बताऊंगा मेरा खुद का एक्सपीरियंस while driving it. Good morning everyone, welcome to the channel. This is me and I'll be doing my own car's review today. Yes, it is an ownership review though. और यहाँ पे मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा कि क्यों या क्यों नहीं Jeep Compass लेनी चाहिए. This is the Jeep Compass Night Eagle. I will be reviewing my beast today. And after owning it for quite some time, and trust me, it has been a ride full of adventure and awesomeness. And those occasional heartbreaks in the petrol pump. I mean, this is a diesel car, 2 liter, 170 horse, and I'm sure you know कि ये जो engine है, it is used on 2 more cars, which is the Tata Harrier and the MG Hector. But of course, they're tuned differently. This is a manual car, 6-speed. But the question is it really worth your money? Is it the best mid-sized SUV? Or probably did I just convince myself to buy this? Let's find out. So in terms of design and the exterior, first things first, right? Look at the look. This is like a mafia badass look that you'll get, right? That attitude जो होता है, right? रो दिखाना. ये alloys इसके blacked out हैं चारों, and then your badging is also blacked out. This is the Night Eagle logo. This is the Compass badging. Attraction point is the 7-slat grille, which is also blacked out, right? And this, yes, this is a 22BH 2022 model Jeep Compass. The roof is blacked out, and no, this is not a, I mean, this does not have a panoramic sunroof. This mirrors are also blacked out. And to be very honest, right, the front wheel especially is the signature Jeep bold and aggressive look, right? These are 18 inches, and really they have nailed the aesthetics of this wheel, right? The complete blacked out grille. The tires of the profile of the tires are R18 225 55. It's a low profile tire. These are the LED DRLs. So this is how they look from the front. Let's check out the interiors. The front, this is the steering, this is the manual gear knob, this is the armrest, the slides basically. Quite some space, feels like somewhat cooled. This is the 10-inch infotainment system. These are the wiper controls. This is the indicator and the flash control. Also, these are few buttons where you can actually change music, and you can reduce or maximize your volumes as well. The mirror is pretty basic. The entire interior is completely blacked out. Yeah. Let's look at the second row. Sorry about that. These are not reclining seats. The space is quite good. And then you also get an armrest here with 2 cup holders, headrests. It's pretty comfortable for 4 people, 4 big people though. Of course, family of 5 also can be handled really well here. They have a USB-A port here and a 12-volt socket under here. ये वाला थोड़ा बम्ड है, तो बीच में जो भी बैठेगा या बैठेगी, it will be a little cramped. Otherwise, the interiors is quite good, quite spacious. Let me look at the boot. Let me show you the boot. Of course, my umbrella. Sorry about that. ये इसका boot space है. Cool. In terms of driving comfort, it is really comfortable. बहुत comfortable है. और ये जो 2 लीटर टर्बो डीजल 170 horses and 350 Newton meters of torque, which means the overtaking is much easier and faster, right? It's like dodging your work emails on Friday. इसके ऑटोमेटिक वर्जन्स भी आते हैं, 9 स्पीड वाले हैं, और ये मैनुअल है 6 स्पीड. और हैंडलिंग इसका काफ़ी अच्छा है, स्मूथ. और क्योंकि इसके हाइड्रोलिक स्टीयरिंग में, इट गिव्स यू द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस व्हाइल यू आर ड्राइविंग, राइट? टॉप नॉच. और इसका जो Jeep DNA है, right? It ensures that it stays planted on the highways. और इसका I think it's और इसके ये 4-wheel ड्राइव है नहीं, it's a 4x2, बट ऑफ रोडिंग काफ़ी अच्छा हैंडल करता है. ऑफ कोर्स हार्ड कोर तो ये कर नहीं पाएगी बिकॉज 4x4 है नहीं. ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस इसका काफ़ी अच्छा है. आई थिंक विथ लोड इट विल बी अराउंड 180 or 90 somewhere. It's like gliding over breakers, like they didn't even exist. Suspension setup is quite superb, right? Absorbs bumps like a pro. So comfy. Even my son doesn't complain. तो basically देखा जाए तो pros में हमारा the killer looks it has, right? The street presence, build quality काफ़ी अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. It's really solid, 10 out of 10. It's not a tin can. Smooth ride, great handling, confidence देती है आपको हाईवे में. Very inspiring on highways to hit that gas pedal, right? Off-road capable है, can take Indian roads like a ninja. Feature loaded है और इंटीरियर काफ़ी अच्छा है. सनरूफ है नहीं बिकॉज ऑफ द नाइटिगल मॉडल. जो बेसिकली व्हेन आई टुक दिस there were only 5 models available, out of which top S model anyway I couldn't afford at that point in time. It was like 36 lakhs it was costing. S model में काफ़ी अच्छे फीचर्स हैं. उसके नीचे बैठता था लिमिटेड और उसके नीचे आती थी ये द नाइटिगल. और क्योंकि इसमें डुअल कलर हैं and it has all the specifics that I actually wanted, I thought this is the best option, the value for money car that I will get in my budget. Little over budget tha. I was looking for Harrier but somehow दिल आ गया इस पे. कॉन्स की बात करें तो हाईवेज पे it can give you a good mileage. पर्सनली मैंने हाईवेज पे आई हैव स्ट्रेच्ड इट टिल 19 किलोमीटर्स पर लीटर, बट सिटीज़ में थोड़ा दिल चुभता है. 11.5, 12, 13 मैक्स. और बम्पर टू बम्पर ट्रैफिक में थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट होता है बिकॉज ऑफ दी हाइड्रोलिक स्टीयरिंग एंड दी, क्योंकि डीजल है थोड़ा क्लच भी इसका हार्ड है. मतलब वैसा हार्ड नहीं है बट इट्स ड्राइवेबल, बट यू विल फील दैट हैवीनेस. प्राइसी, दैट इज़ वन कॉन आई कैन से. दैट्स इट. सो यू नो आफ्टर 2.5 years of ownership, would I still recommend you to go for this? The answer is yes, yes and definitely yes. If you love SUVs, right, the real ones, I'm sure you will love this car when you drive this. But if you want a mileage king and all, don't look for this. Okay? ये जितना सेफ है उतना रगड़ के चलती है. So badass car man. So that's it for today. ये मेरी रिव्यू है आज के लिए. आई एम श्योर यू लाइक इट. दिस इज अ जीप कंपास 2022 Nightingale model. It's a red and black. I'm sure you would have seen your entire shorts being polluted with or filled with red Jeep Compass. Seems really red, I know, but yeah, if you look at the car, it's one of the best color that I could find. I was going for the all black Nightingale. It would have been really great. It would have looked like a Batmobile. However, this color got my eye. Oh my god, it's really a treat to the eyes. Trust me guys, if you look at that badass look, it's amazing. Okay, then just driving back home. When I bought this car, this was exactly sitting in the middle of all the models. So it had additional models, I think. Not I think, basically, yeah. The Black Shark has replaced the Nightingale. Not replaced exactly, but the Nightingale right now does not come with a dual color. Earlier it used to. So meaning I have a black roof, but the Nightingales today only have the black grills and the black alloys, and I think the interior is as well all black like this. The all black interior looks great. Of course the beige I think probably looks great as well, but yeah, this is a 10.1 infotainment screen, runs with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. और and the manual, भाई साहब, drives really great. 170 घोड़े खींच के जाते हैं हमारी कंपस को. The Night Eagle, yes, ladies and gentlemen. The steering, if you see, this is where the navigation goes. You can pick your phones from here as well. This is the Jeep logo. All the Indian cars, you'll find your indicators on your right hand side. However, all the foreign cars, basically foreign brands, whether it is German or American, so you'll find the indicators on your left. It is because in other countries they have a left-hand drive car. That is why. ऑटो वाले बाबू. Highest I would have driven it for in top speed probably 150, and tank आप बोल सकते हो. It goes like a tank. और the build quality especially, right? It's amazing and feels like a tank when it goes, right? Bites the road and goes. पूरा बैठ के जाता है भाई साहब. मज़ा आ जाता है चलाने में इसको. मैं बेसिकली इसको भगाता नहीं हूँ इतना ज़ोर से, बिकॉज यू नो भागती तो बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन स्लो चलाने में जितना मज़ा है भगाने में भी उतना ही मज़ा है. लेकिन सिटी, यू नो, द स्पीड लिमिट्स एंड ऑल, you drive below 50 or 50 is your cap, and yeah, that's why. और मुझे स्लो चलाने में भी बहुत मज़ा आता है. मैं जनरली स्लो ही चलाता हूँ, और हाईवेज में भी आई डू नॉट गो above 100. Sometimes when the road demands, I reach around 110 or 120 max till it continuously beeps. But yeah, drive safe, people. You've just got one single life. So, seat belts हमेशा हमेशा लगा के चलाइए. It's very safe. छोटा मोटा ऑफ रोड मैंने किया हुआ है इसमें, तो चढ़ जाता है. कभी कभार फिसलते हैं टायर्स. So, yeah, drives well. सीट्स भी काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल हैं. आपको अंदर थाई सपोर्ट काफ़ी अच्छा मिलेगा. लॉन्ग ड्राइव में इट इज़ वेरी कंफर्टेबल. यू विल नॉट फील टायर्ड व्हेन यू ड्राइव. आई हैव ड्रिवन कितना 2000 किलोमीटर्स यहाँ से, भुवनेश्वर से आई हैव ड्रिवन टिल कोझिकोड, और Calicut also I have gone. So through via Bangalore, the road is amazing. NH16 you touch, and then there's no stopping you. Drive experience, I would say it's really great. और जितना मज़ा जीप चलाने में आता है ना भाई साहब, मतलब मत पूछो. पूछ लो, बहुत मज़ा आता है. और उतना मज़ा आपको किसी और गाड़ी में नहीं है. मैंने काफ़ी सारी गाड़ियाँ चलाई हैं, बट जितना आपको वो फीलिंग देती है कंपस, वैसा फीलिंग आई डोंट थिंक किसी और गाड़ी में है. मेरिडियन लगभग, इट इज़ द सेम कार, स्ट्रेच ओवर विद अ लिटिल वाइड. इट डेफिनेटली गिव्स यू दैट फन. बट कंपस है भाई साहब. ये डेफिनेटली वो कंपस फैंस के लिए हैं जिनको पता है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, राइट? एक सेकेंड. वन टच पावर विंडोज है, वन टच डाउन है सिर्फ पीछे के, और सामने के दो बोथ आर वन टच अप एंड वन टच डाउन एज वेल. पीछे में you'll have to hold it down. This is the child lock button. This is lock, unlock, and this is the mirror adjuster. यहाँ पे हमारे पास ये ऑटो मोड में मैं रखता हूँ हमेशा, so it gets easier for me even if I forget to switch off the light. और ये लाइट एडजस्टर और आपका ये जो MID एडजस्टर है, ब्राइटनेस उसका है. ये आपका स्क्रीन है जो इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम, एप्पल कारप्ले, द मैप एंड ऑल. द इंटरफेस इज रियली गुड और अच्छा है. सेटिंग्स वगैरह है यहाँ पे है. और आपका ये स्पेशली the highlight of the compass is you get a great back camera. And then let's see what do we have for the next time. Babaji rocks.